Let's start question number 5th of exercise 17C. Question is Govind and Sanjeev had the adjoining fields shown in figure A. Okay, Govind and Sanjeev had the adjoining fields as shown in this figure. This is figure A and this is figure B. संजीव सजेस्टेड दैट दे डिवाइड देयर फील्ड्स एज शोन इन बी. संजीव ने सजेस्ट किया कि हम जो अपने फील्ड को इस तरह से डिवाइड कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, उनके फील्ड की डिवीजन थी इस टाइप से थी. संजीव ने सजेस्ट किया कि हम अपने फील्ड को इस टाइप से डिवाइड कर लेते हैं. ही सेड द एरिया ऑफ देयर फील्ड वुड रिमेन द सेम बट दे वुड स्पेंड लेस मनी ऑन फेंसिंग. ठीक है, उनका एरिया तो सेम रहेगा. संजीव ने कहा कि अगर अपने फील्ड को वो इस टाइप से डिवाइड कर लेते हैं तो उनका एरिया जो है वो सेम रहेगा. जितना एरिया इस डिवीज़न में आ रहा है उतना ही एरिया इस डिवीज़न में होगा, बट उन्हें फेंसिंग में कम मनी स्पेंड करनी पड़ेगी. ठीक है, वॉज ही राइट? क्या वो सही है? गिव रीज़न. हमें इसका रीज़न देना है. For that, what we have to do, first of all, we have to find the area of this division. Okay, and after that we will find the area of this division and compare. हम compare करेंगे कि क्या area जो है वो same आ रहा है. अगर तो same आ रहा है then he is right, fine. और अगर same नहीं आता that means he is wrong. And if the area is same then what we will do, we will find the perimeter also. हमें क्या करना है, इस फील्ड का भी पैरीमीटर निकालना है और इस फील्ड का भी पैरीमीटर निकालना है. और हमें ये चेक करना है कि अगर वो इस टाइप से डिवीजन करते हैं तो क्या उसका पैरीमीटर जो है वो इस डिवीजन से कम आता है. ठीक है, बिकॉज उसने लिखा है यहाँ पर कि ही सेड द एरिया ऑफ देयर फील्ड वुड रिमेन सेम बट दे वुड स्पेंड लेस मनी ऑन फेंसिंग. उन्हें फेंसिंग में कम मनी स्पेंड करनी पड़ेगी. कम मनी तब स्पेंड करेगा जब इसका पैरीमीटर जो है वो कम आएगा इस पैरीमीटर से. ठीक है, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल फाइंड द एरिया. फॉर फाइंडिंग द एरिया जॉइन इट फ्रॉम हेयर एंड फ्रॉम हेयर. ओके, हम क्या करेंगे, इसे ज्वाइन कर देंगे. अब इससे नेमिंग दे देते हैं. इट विल बी ए बी, ठीक है, C and D. Name this as E, F, G and H. Now here we can give name as I and here J. ठीक है, first of all we will find the area of region 1 and after that region 2 and then area of Sanjeev's region 1 and area of Sanjeev's region 2. Fine. So first of all we will find area of Govind field. What will be the area of Govind's field? Area of Govind's field will be area of A, B, C, D plus area of D, H, E, J. हम क्या करेंगे, पहले इसका एरिया निकालेंगे और फिर इसका एरिया निकालेंगे और इन दोनों को जब ऐड कर देंगे तो हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा, गोविंद के फील्ड का एरिया. ठीक है, सो एरिया ऑफ गोविंद्स फील्ड इज एरिया ऑफ ए बी सी डी प्लस एरिया ऑफ डी एच ई जे. नाउ व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ ए बी सी डी? See, this is a square and area of square is side multiplied by side because each side is same. This is 15 meter, length is 15, breadth is 15. That means area will be length multiplied by breadth, which is side multiplied by side. Here this is a square, so it will be 15 multiplied by 15 square meters. Okay, and what is the area of DHEJ? This is rectangular portion. Length here is, this is 30, this CH is 30, then what will be the length of CD? See, length of AB is 15, so length of CD is also 15. So total length DH is of length 45 meters. This is 30, this is 15, 30 plus 15 is 45. So length will be 45 and what is the breadth? Breadth here is 15. So it will be 45 multiplied by 15 square meters. Okay, now 15 multiplied by 15 is 225 and 45 multiplied by 15 is 675. So it will be 225 square meters plus 675 square meters. Now add these 5 and 5, 10. 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 1, 10. And 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 1, 9. So this is 900 square meters. Now we will find area of Sanjeev's field. And what will be the area of Sanjeev's field? Area of Sanjeev's field is area of BIGC प्लस एरिया ऑफ HGFE. ओके, हम इन दोनों पोर्शन को प्लस कर देंगे टू गेट द एरिया ऑफ संजीव्स फील्ड. What is the area of BIGC? This is a rectangular shaped portion. So area will be length multiplied by breadth. Length here is 45 meters and breadth is 15 meters. ठीक है, लेंथ हमारी कितनी आ रही है 45 और ब्रेड्थ आ रही है 15. सो एरिया विल बी 45 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 15 square meters. Okay, and what will be area of DHFE? DHFE का area कितना हो जाएगा? This is 15, this is 15, that means this is a square. So area will be side multiply by side, 15 multiply by 15. Okay, now 45 multiplied by 15 is 675 square meters and 15 multiplied by 15 is 225 square meters. So area of Sanjeev's field is 900 square meters. Area of Govind's field is also 900 square meters and area of Sanjeev's field is also 900 square meter. Now we will find area in this division. If in this division also the area comes out to be 900 square meter, that means he was saying true that the area would remain same. In figure B, area of Govind's field will be, see, length here is 30 meters and breadth is also 30 meter. So area will be length multiplied by breadth, which is 30 multiplied by 30. So area of Govind's field in figure B will be 30 multiplied by 30 square meters, which is 900 square meters. And area of Sanjeev's field will also be 30 multiplied by 30. This is 900 square meters. That means if they divide their field in this way, then also the area will remain same. Okay, what will be perimeter of Govind's field in division A? See, it will be 15 meter plus 15 meter plus 30 meter. This is 30 plus 15 plus how much is the length of JE? See, this portion is 30, this portion is 15. So JE will be of measure 45 meters. JE की measurement कितनी आ जाएगी 45 and AJ is 30 meters. Fine. So what will be the perimeter of Govind's field? 15 plus 15 plus 30 plus 15 plus 45 plus 30, and after adding you will get 150 meters. Okay, this is perimeter of Govind's field in figure A. And what will be the perimeter of Sanjeev's field? Perimeter of Sanjeev's field will be 45 plus 30. If this is 30, then this is also 30. 45 plus 30 plus 15 plus 15 plus 30 plus 15. ओके, हम क्या करेंगे, इन सारी साइड्स को प्लस कर देंगे. हमें एक्चुअली निकालना क्या है, लेंथ ऑफ बाउंड्री ऑफ संजीव्स फील्ड, दैट इज इक्वल टू पेरीमीटर. सो दिस विल बी 45 प्लस 30 प्लस 15 प्लस 15 प्लस 30 प्लस 15, and after adding you will get 150 meters. Okay, this is the perimeter of Sanjeev's field. Now we will find perimeter of Govind's field and Sanjeev's field in figure B. Okay, in figure B, what will be the perimeter of Govind's field? It will be, the length is 30, breadth is 30. That means this is a square field. And perimeter of square is 4 multiplied by side. So perimeter of Govind's field will be 4 multiplied by 30, which is 120 meters. Okay, perimeters of Govind's field will be 4 multiplied by 30 meters, which is 120 meters. and perimeter of Sanjeev's field will also be same, because the length of Sanjeev's field is also 30 meter and breadth is 30 meter. So perimeter of Sanjeev's field will also be 4 multiplied by 30, which is 120 meters. Now you can compare. If they divide the field as in figure A, then the perimeter is 150 meter, and if they divide as in B, then the perimeter is 120 meter. That means if they divide their field as in figure B, then they would spend less money on fencing. Okay. As the perimeter of figure B is less than figure A, so they would spend less money on fencing if they divide their field as in figure B. Fine. So this is question number 5th of exercise 17th C.